GTCP36-300 APU provides the aircraft with an independent source of pneumatic and electrical power, which can be used during flight and ground operations. The APU is installed in a fireproof compartment located in the aircraft tail cone. Access for servicing and maintenance is provided by two doors. The APU is controlled and monitored by a full authority digital electronic control box, which is located on the right side of the aft cargo compartment. It transmits the APU operational data to the electronic centralized aircraft monitoring system. The data is displayed in the cockpit on the ECAM display. This is the Garrett GTCP36-300 APU. It supplies the aircraft pneumatic system with compressed air for engine starting and air conditioning, and it provides the shaft power to drive an AC electrical generator, which supplies the aircraft electrical buses. All of the following component location references are clockwise from the rear looking forward. The APU is comprised of three major assemblies and their components. The major assemblies are the accessory gearbox, the load compressor, and the power section.